Fred on a deer as I come through, down by the hill o Benachie, alangst the lands o Geary. Great pity was to hear and see the noise and dulsome harmony that ever that dearie did crying the corem noch on he. Alas, alas, for they are lost. The armies met, the trumpet sounds, the dandrin drums alluded took, both armies biden on the boons, to lane o them the field should brook. Nae help was there for nane one jook, first was the fecht on elka side, and on the ground lay many a book o them that there did battle bide. We did some victory they dealt, the bloody battle lasted lang. Elk man his neighbour's force there felt, the weakest of times got the rang. There was nae mouse there them of mine, naething was heard but heavy knocks that echo made a doleful sign, there to resounding frae the rocks. But Donald's men at last gave back, for they were out o array. The Earl o Mar's men threw them back, pursuing sharply in their way. The enemies to attack or slay, by them to force to guard them yield, while Warwick the Blythe to win away, and say for fear his tent the field. Then Donald fled, and that flew fast, to mountains heich for a his met, for he and his were a aghast, and ran till they were out o set. And say o Ross he lost his recht, though many men wi' him he brought, towards the isles fled day and night, and all he won was dearly bought. In July on St. James's E'en, that 24 dismal day, 1210 and 11 o years since Christ the sooth they say, men will remember as they may, when thus the verity they know, and many a yen may mourn for the grim battle o' the